Good morning students. In this session we will study how to draw monohybrid cross, that is also known as inheritance of single gene. Now here in this chart you can easily see here the parental generation. It is indicated by, this is the one parental group that is having the genotype capital T and another parental group having the genotype small t. So this parent is dominant over this parent, that is tall parents, they are dominant over dwarf. Now from this parental group, if the gametes are taken, one T will be taken, that is capital T, and here from this parental group the small t is taken. Now fertilization is done, so the resultant is capital T and the small t. So here in the F1 generation, F1 means first filial generation, all plants are tall as capital T is dominant over small t. So here in F1 generation all plants are tall. Now whenever this F1 generation is self cross with F1 into F1, that is this capital T small t into again capital T small t. Here you can see. So this will be becoming the F2 generation, that is second filial generation. So how this cross is made, that is first capital T you have to take of this, then it is crossed with the capital T of this particular group. So the resultant will the capital T. Again small t of this and the capital T of this. So the resultant will be capital T and small t. So likewise all these particular genotypes are obtained, and here you can see at three places capital T is present and only at one place small t is present. So these three particular plants are tall as capital T is present, and only one place, that is the small plants are or the dwarf plants are there. So here the ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1, that is 75% are tall plants and 25% are dwarf plants. And the genotype of this monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. Why 1:2:1? Here you can see at one place capital T is present, at two places capital T small t is present. So two of this and one, that is the small t. So the ratio or the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2:1, and the particular phenotype is 3:1, that is 75% were tall plants and 25% were dwarf plants. I hope students by this chart monohybrid cross is clear to you all.